Welcome to South Korean kitchen. We need a lot of energy to fight with COVID-19. So I prepared pork recipe. Pork rib stew. 돼지갈비찜. Shall we begin? Go go! I have pork ribs here. Let's check how many grams or kilograms or 1 kilograms. I will make 1 kilo of pork rib stew. I have 1 kilo of pork ribs here. This is very good quality. We have to soak around 30 minutes in the water because it has some blood in the bones, so we have to soaking in the water. I'm gonna pre-boil for pork, so we have to boil the water. I'm gonna put this some spices for rid of smell from the pork. The garlic, just like this. I don't peel off it. And ginger, just clean it and slice it. Just this. And this onion looks big, so I'll just cut into two. Just like this. And do you know what is this? This is our onion skins. I use this for boiling pork. This is green onion leeks. This one use later for the stew, and this one I'll wash it and we'll use this together with other spices. The water is boiling, and then I'm gonna put the garlic, ginger, the onion, and the onion skin, and this one, and the soju, and lastly some whole pepper. This will eliminate the odor coming from the pork. Then I'm gonna put the pork. It's a pork ribs. Have to boil it for 5 minutes, then cover it, then wait till the water is boiling. The water is boiling, so we open the cover and continue to boil for 5 minutes more. Have to open the cover, fly away the odor. 5 minutes have passed. So I'm gonna wash with the cold water. the meat is washed, so I'm gonna make sauce. We need the onion. This is half of onion. I'll just slice a little bit big size. Gonna blend it. And the apple, I'm gonna use half. And this is ginger syrup, the one I made. For pork, ginger is very important. I put 1 tablespoon of ginger syrup, the one I made. And I'm going to blend it. I'm gonna put 1 cup of water for blending. Apple and onion with ginger syrup. Now I'm going to put soy sauce. I use Korean soy sauce today. 100 ml. This is a 120 ml cup, so I will use a little bit less than full of this cup. 100 ml. 3 tablespoons of mirin. And 60 ml sugar. Black pepper. And garlic. Mix it. Oh, some apple is still big, but it's okay. We're going to boil it. I'm gonna marinate the pork with the sauce. Like this, then leave it for 30 minutes, even 1 hour, it's okay. I'm going to be boiling it now with vegetables. The stove number is highest. For 30 minutes to boil. It's well boiling. It's boiling for 10 minutes. It's been a 20 minutes to boil. Oops. And we have to down the stove. It's almost oops. So the some sauce is almost gone. So we'll just boil 10 minutes more. The color is very nice. Let's check. It's done. Wow, look great. The potatoes and carrot also look very nice. Wow, well done. Pork rib stew, 돼지갈비찜. The color is very nice. Let's taste it. I'm hungry. This one. It's soft and a little sweet. I can taste it from apple. This is my favorite. Carrot. Speechless. This pork rib stew, 돼지갈비찜, normally we eat when we have big party or family gathering. So tonight, you cook for your family. Bye!